A lot of people think finding a product is the hardest part, but it's not. The real challenge starts after you find one. Let's say I come across a product with real potential. Before, I'd spend hours looking for suppliers, opening dozens of tabs, comparing factories, checking prices, reviewing MOQs, researching supplier credentials, and trying to figure out which suppliers were actually worth contacting. That's why I started using Accio Work. Now whenever I find a product opportunity, all I have to do is upload a product image and enter my sourcing requirements. Accio Work helps analyze the product and start a supplier search for matching options. Instead of doing all the research myself, I get a list of supplier options in one place. I can quickly review supplier information, compare prices, compare MOQs, and narrow down the best options much faster. Once I've identified the suppliers I want to contact, Accio Work helps with that too. It automatically generates professional inquiry emails that already include the key questions I need answers to, like pricing, MOQ requirements, production timelines, customization capabilities, shipping options, and more. I don't have to write everything from scratch anymore. I just review the email, make any changes I want, and send it. Even better, I can reach multiple suppliers through Gmail at the same time. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. For me, the biggest benefit isn't just saving time. It's being able to move faster when I spot an opportunity. While other sellers are still searching for suppliers, I'm already comparing quotes and making decisions. If you're running an e-commerce business, sourcing products, or building your own brand, Accio Work is definitely worth checking out. I've left more information in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.